slippery. Woohoo! That's exactly why that is the perfect car. So today we're here with the Lotus Elise Cup 250, getting a little run on a mountain road here in Switzerland, little twisties. It is winter, but it is around 10 degrees Celsius out, so I should be fine. I'm also really interested to see how the semi-slicks perform in this weather. And I'm gonna take you on a POV drive up here. Always obeying the speed limit, of course, but these roads are fun even with a speed limit, because the corners are so tight and this car is perfectly made for that. Yee-hoo! This is the perfect car for these types of roads. This is also for me the first ride in a long time on a mountain road. Oh, that corner is nice. Could have done that in second gear, but I don't need to race here. I just want to have some fun. That one as well, second gear would have been better. A Charger, damn, that was sick. But it's just a boat. Switzerland is just beautiful. I love living here. I love having grown up here. It's just amazing. Perfect roads. And if you hear stuff flying around, I'm really sorry. I need to clean the car. For the speed limits, and I can feel it through the steering wheel. It is slippery. The steering gets light when the front wheels are gonna give away the grip. Really nice knowing you feel everything in this car. Let's try the road that goes down back there. It is really sketchy, really tight, and it could be wet, but we're gonna try it. Otherwise we're gonna turn around. As you can see, you can barely cross, and it is wet. It is really wet. You really need to be able to brake here if another car comes, and watch out. Watch out for the grip as well. Would have known that this road there is no one coming, this would be so nice. Again, another one coming. Also sorry for the squeaky roof. I mostly ride without one anyways. And yeah, I can feel it in the pedal, it is slippery. Woo, with this road, holy moly. I wouldn't want any bigger car on this road. Slow down. Oh no, there's some cow poo-poo. Really need to brake a lot here. Blind corners are dangerous. And yeah, crossing is difficult here. Woohoo! It's wet, it's wet. Oh yeah, I can feel the front tires giving up some grip. And the grip is not perfect. Yeah, it is really not perfect. Oh, there's a festival right now. Shit. Super nice. I might need to stop somewhere and turn around. Yeah, it's really difficult to cross. That's why I love this car, because it's so small. I'm not gonna use the whole rev range, because then I'm just gonna kick the back out. Just wanna have some fun. Dangerous road though, yeah, dangerous road. You really have to watch out for the blind corners. It's insane. And the grip here and the road surface, it's not the best. Just ignore the roof. Oh yeah, slippy, slippity, 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 slippy, slippy, slippy. Whoa, whoa, but fun, so much fun. Tires are not made for wetness like this. Again, the party. Blind, blind, no more blind. Just shifting to shift, not really having to, but it's just fun. Motorcycle, watch out, watch out. Oh my god, I need to take the roof off. Oh no. Let's give him a thank you. No one coming, so I can take it a bit faster. Slippity, blind corner, watch out. I'm actually talking more than I thought I would, but that's exactly why that is the perfect car for Swiss mountain roads. It is so tiny, yet so powerful, so much mechanical grip. And again, obeying the speed limit. Wow guys, we are having really much fun with the speed limit. out for the rear. Bump. Yo. This is actually a sick road, man. Woo-hoo! And we're back up. Let's go up here. I've never been up there. I want to take a break. Woo! Woo! Wet. Watching out when it's wet and for oncoming cars. Wow, never been up here, that's sick. It's beautiful up here. Yeah, we're gonna stop somewhere there. Wow, that was so much fun. Let's go back home. We're gonna take the same road again. He's driving 30 in an 80. Wow. Still gonna respect other drivers. Don't want to sit up his ass. Yes, this guy is going left, I'm going straight. Let's go! Watching out for the blind corners. I've said this about 50 times in this video already, but it is really that dangerous here. What if another guy comes up that is also driving like me? So watching out always. Oh, that was really bad. Scrunch the gear. Shit. Yeah, mistakes happen. I'm gonna leave it in the video. Heel towing didn't go as planned. This car is so easy to heel toe though. Brakes are so good on this car, mainly because this car is so light. You can hear the sounds this car makes. It's getting thrown around. It's really getting thrown around. And it's not a Porsche or a Lamborghini. It is more involving. This is probably the most involving cars with doors and a roof you can get. Whee! This section here is sick though. Sadly we had some oncoming drivers. Got this section before though, so I'm happy. Really have to be on the brakes here, guys. This road will be better with no other people, but again, the festival that's here. The road surface though is it's ugly. Yeah, the mountain passes we're gonna drive this summer or even in the spring are much better. This is like really just the local road I have. Hope you can still hear me. The car is so loud. Just shifting to shift, man. It's so fun in this gearbox. Woo! That was fun, guys. Man, I miss this car on mountain passes or just like on the twisties. Warm day. Revving it out for the kids. Kids love this car, by the way. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Little sneak peek of what is coming in the spring and summertime on the real mountain passes. This is just a little back road, like 10 minutes from my home, which is really nice for a quick fast ride. But yeah, give it a like, please subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.